And welcome back to Dad.
Son.
Bubble Blower here. We are at the Goodwill outlet. We are about to go
Get some cool stuff.
and blow some bubbles. So let's do this. Woo! Those are some awesome Ben Hogan vintage golf clubs you found at Goodwill. Those are pretty spectacular.
Yes, they are. 4. Let's get into the Dad Son garage. Let's go!
Cut this out. I'll start here. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So as you
What's
see,
up, guys? We're just gonna cut that out too.
as you see, John got some awesome golf clubs, but we scored some major electronics.
This is not a turtle.
He's petting a turtle, but it's not really a turtle. It was a turtle, but
I
it's
see you.
no longer a turtle.
It's passed away.
The stuff you find in the Goodwill bin is crazy. Oh, you might be asking, why do they have a big H&R Block sign behind them glowing? This was a dumpster find.
And it works. That's fine.
It works. We dug it up. We found it.
Pretty
Show
cool.
them some of your stuff we got. Show them Pez dispensers first.
You know what? These are actually super old. It's kind of cool, actually.
I found these in the bin.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Pig.
We'll just leave them on there, but like Wicked Witch.
Got the pig girl.
The Pig Girl. Miss Piggy.
Oh.
Who does Miss Piggy love?
Kermit? Right?
Ho, ho, ho. And I'm not talking about your mom.
Whoa, buddy.
Whoa!
You're
Ho, ho.
roasted.
Whoa! Alright, show them something else, dude.
You guys know I like cameras.
Cameras. Got an old camera?
Kodak, guys. This is probably the oldest camera I own,
I
actually.
didn't even look this one up.
Look at this.
Got this in the bin.
I just found that today. Yep.
They brought out a whole bin full of electronics.
It's just all electronics. It was crazy. People
This is really nice, though.
I know, I found it. It was really nice. Really, that's fine, huh?
Score.
Give me some.
Boom. I don't know, we just grabbed a bunch of electronics. We don't know if it's worth anything. Oh, I found another Garmin.
Garmin. Yeah, that one looks really nice.
I don't know how to, like, I don't have the cords for it or anything.
Give us the cords, please, guys.
Oh, look, this might have a, what is this?
SD card.
SD card? How can you check, what would be on it?
Computer. Oh, where they went? You could stalk them.
I can stock them?
Yeah.
5-10 years later?
I found a fishing lure, which, you know what, I'm gonna go hook that up here after this video, cause, we're going fishing tomorrow.
Oh,
Oh, buddy.
alright. Oh, look at this.
Hi, you.
Can you do your Elvis? I've never
Hey,
asked you to do an Elvis.
baby.
Yeah, you gotta gyrate your hips. Gyrate your hips like Elvis. Stand up and do it. Gyrate. You like Forrest Gump. Remember Forrest Gump?
Yeah.
He taught Elvis how to do that.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's in rough conditions, but look, inside of it,
amazing.
it's brand new, like totally.
Like, look at this. Look, it's just.
Let's see what would the the pink Cadillac, of course. Elvis's coat, a guitar, a teddy bear that says "I love Elvis." Ooh, the Elvis sunglasses. If we play, I'm gonna be the Elvis sunglasses.
What? I
Yeah.
wanna be. I don't even know. I'll be
You
somebody.
be the teddy bear.
Yeah, that's nice, because I don't know the Elvis. Oh, wait, I forgot to put that.
Whoa! You put a loaded gun up in here. What are you doing?
I'd be crazy. I'd be crazy.
Oh, I wanted to show you. So before they moved the bins out, I had found these. These are cool. Old school.
We have another pair just like that.
The other ones are like air traffic control ones.
Can I see?
Yeah. Well, before they brought the electronics out, I found one piece of electronic. Where is
Oh,
that?
we found like 50 flip phones.
Oh yeah, I found this. This is real nice. I looked it up on eBay. It's still only going for like about 25 bucks, but it's like almost brand new.
It's a keeper pretty much. That's what he's trying to say.
I didn't even look to see if I had anything else in there. No.
By the way, I'm listening to nothing. It's like pitch silence. Listen. Whoa! I hear your brain, bro. Listen.
Can't hear anything.
What the?
Try again. There we go. What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What if I wore these the rest of the show?
Yeah.
Hey! Okay, our back to our next item. Whoa, I was screaming. Didn't even tell me.
It's very loud, bro.
Oh, look at this belt.
Look at it. Look at it. Hey.
Look at this belt buckle. Ooh, Harley. Found a Harley Davidson belt buckle. I wonder if this fits me.
I have no clue what this is.
I need a belt bad.
For a computer,
This
right?
is tight.
Computer chip much?
I don't know what that's for. And then
We
we
grabbed it
found
because this is
a
electronic.
whole bin of electronics. Another Walkman.
Bro, another Walkman?
Another
We
Walkman.
got 3, I think, in that bin.
Another Walkman.
Bro. Instead of money, it's just Walkmans.
We got Walkmans. Oh, look
We
at
actually
these
have so
old
many
mouses.
Walkmans.
What really freaked me up was John was looking at the bottom of these Microsoft mouses, and he goes, "It's got a ball on it. Why?" Because I guess they don't have balls on them now. They've been neutered. The mouses have been neutered. Or is it spayed? Spayed, neutered. Spayed or neutered. But we got mouses. Usually that's not a good thing to have. We got a cat that got rid of mouses. I wonder if their cat will get rid of these. You just got mouses. Show them these.
Salmon.
Talking old school.
Old school. Like, you guys all got them Chromebooks, but we got them old Chromebooks, bro. Look at this. Check me out. Look at me.
A compact. What is this?
No.
Armada M3000 or
Wait.
300.
Tell me if you guys can
I
read
think
this.
it's from the turn of the century.
Wait.
That's old.
S-U-B. What's that spell? Sub.
Subscribe. Oh, we got phones.
Phones for days.
Got the Motorola Razr. I was telling you I had one of these back in the day. The Razr.
This one's even heavier, guys.
It's another old school laptop.
This one's even bigger and better.
That one's called the Solo. The Gateway Solo.
I wonder if they watched the new Solo movie and then they made this. Oh wait, it's so old.
Texas Instrument Calculator.
Those are good calculators.
I like them. They sell good.
I like them a lot.
I like them a lot. Hey, look. We got another razor. We got razors.
That kind of razor?
Yeah.
I don't have a beard yet, but I have peach fuzz.
I got razors for days. Oh yeah, these are old. Flips.
No, you're doing it wrong, guys. It's like this. Let me see that.
Look at him flip his wrist.
Look at him. Look at that wrist.
Oh, John wanted this mouse.
It's the
The
gaming
gaming mouse.
Bobby clicking.
The gaming mouse. Rod, reels.
I'm looking that up.
Reels.
I'm looking that up today. Probably.
Reels.
Do you want to use this one, Dad? I don't know how to use this.
Faux reels.
For reals.
Faux reels. Faux reels. Faux reels.
For reals?
We got calculators. I don't know.
Calculators?
I sold a couple calculators and now I see them. I grab them.
You grab them all.
What is this? Oh, this is
Oh,
another
yeah.
flip phone.
Whoa.
We got flips.
Look at him. Look at it. No, you
Oh,
don't
this
need
is a
those.
Magellan. Not a Garmin.
I
Oh,
don't
I
know.
didn't show you my. Here, you can show them something else. I love radios.
I heard radio.
Phones, pens. Calculator. Ooh. Oh, look at these. Got 4. Old Sony radios.
I found those, by the way.
I'd guess 70s. This one's newer. Sony. Sony.
How you trying to sign off? It just goes off for the store then.
This one I don't even know what this one is.
Bro.
TV sound, General Electric.
Dad, this remote doesn't work.
Oh, try hit pause.
Pause.
It's right. Okay, that's good enough.
Ooh, my
This
heart
is my
stopped.
favorite one. This one's really nice.
It's
I
pristine.
think this is 70s. Coronado.
Show him the
But
back.
it looks
Show them.
really good.
He's probably gonna keep this.
Yeah, I love the vintage radios.
Can't leave me.
Oh, where was that one? Which one had the, oh yeah, this one did. This one had a bug in it,
We call it the bug game.
and when I was using the dial, the bug would move. But now, the bug's at the bottom. Let's see if we can get that bug. There we go. Like, creep, creep, creep. Can you see the bug moving? Is the bug moving? I don't know. I don't know. Hey, there it is. It's moving. Ooh. Turn it to the rock, 98.9, because it wants to rock on. Woo. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, did you show him your ripstick, dude?
Nah.
Like,
I be
totally?
ripping like every day my caps. Put the rip on. Just kidding. I don't know how to use it.
Okay, well, it's Friday, so you know, time to get beat
Look,
tonight.
see guys, look. The other ones have balls.
He said balls! He said balls!
We're gonna have to cut that out, aren't we?
Balls.
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 More than one.
Is it balls or balls?
No.
I've got 2 balls.
Whoa, buddy. Kids.
2 balls. No, upstairs. We play with them all the time.
Oh,
Oh, that
yeah,
even sounds
I
worse.
have one right here. Here's one of my balls.
Computer.
That's a
That's
good
a
hurt.
fun word.
Why is there an eagle?
Hey, that's awesome, dude.
What?
It's an eagle that holds
There's
it on.
literally an eagle that holds it, guys. That holds your belt. Do you trust an eagle?
Alright, we got a bunch of more stuff to go through without you guys around. So right now we're going to end this video. John, you got anything to say to these people? He farted. You know, it's really embarrassing because some of John's friends at school watch this. And they go, "Mwah!" Oh, your dad like totally kissed you, John. Like, oh, gross. You out? Turn it off.
We out, boy.
Peace out.
Ow, my hair's caught in the